This hidden gem deserves a spot at the top of your bucket list. Welcome to Cartagena, Colombia, the Caribbean's crown jewel. Start your day wandering the vibrant, colorful streets of the walled city, where every corner bursts with history and charm. Feel the Caribbean breeze as you stroll down cobbled lanes, framed by luscious greenery and colonial architecture. Hungry? Indulge in local delicacies like arepas and ceviche. The flavors are as bright as the sunsets here. Then, take in unparalleled views of the Caribbean Sea from ancient fortress walls. Don't miss the lively salsa beats at night. Beneath the stars, the city transforms into a cultural festival. Whether you're here to relax by turquoise waters or dive into rich culture and history, Cartagena has it all. Pack your bags. Your next unforgettable adventure is waiting. Where should we explore next? Comment below and subscribe to Destination Travel for more inspiration.